everyone, this is my Valentine's Day makeup look for 2024, so I hope you enjoy. I'm first using an e.l.f. Cosmetics matte Camo Concealer and using this as an eyeshadow base. Using the Jawbreaker palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics and taking this light pink shade, blending this into my crease and as a transition shade, then using the coral, blending it on the outer part of my eyes or up to my temples, and then using this cherry color and applying this on the outer corner of my eyes, and I am blending this out. This will be the main eyeshadow color of the makeup look. Using the matte Camo Concealer, and I am outlining the shape of a heart onto my eye, and I wanted to start where my eyelid was and then go out towards the end of my eye. To be taking the cherry red color from the palette, and then I am outlining where the heart is to define it, and taking the shade raspberry to define the lines just so it won't be blended into the transition shade. I wanted it to stand out better. Picking up the shade licorice, which is a beautiful red, I am putting this on the areas where I did outline where the heart is, just to add more color and depth, and putting this on the center of my eye, picking up the shade bubblegum and pressing this over the inner part of my lid, and then using the pink to blend out on the edge of the heart, using the cherry shade and packing that onto the outlined area as well. Using the shade licorice again, and I am redefining the outline with the red color and just the whole outline of the heart, and then picking up Jawbreaker, which is a beautiful light shimmer shadow highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. Matte white eyeshadow, pressing this over the heart area, using the cherry shade, adding more color to the side of my face and my eyes, and then using the shade bubblegum, the pink shade, blending it all out. Cala products false lashes in Aurora, and then UCANBE face painting palette. I mixed a couple colors to create pastel hearts. Using the matte shades from this palette and any color that matches the face paint, I am pressing that over it just to set in place. Applying the shade bubblegum onto my lower lash line, and then taking the UCANBE face painting palette, using the white to outline my waterline. This is my completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.